Introducing our pound cake. The ingredients are 200 grams cake flour, 2/3 teaspoon baking soda, 120 grams sugar, 120 grams butter, 3 beaten eggs, 100 grams dried fruits, raisins, angelica root, cherries, etc., finely chopped and soaked in 2 tablespoons rum. Dash of vanilla extract. Coat the cake pan with a small amount of butter and cover with parchment paper for baking. Whip the butter with a blender, adding half the sugar, mixing it well, and then pour the balance into the batter. Add the vanilla extract. Add the eggs slowly while mixing the batter. Add dried fruits and stir together with a spatula. Sift the flour with baking powder into the batter. Be careful not to make the batter too sticky. Pour the batter into the cake pan. Make a dent in the center of the batter and smooth out the surface. Add dried fruits. Place it on top of the metal tray. Remove the ceramic tray. Press oven 1 level, 160 degrees Celsius. 58 to 65 minutes. Preheat yes to preheat. Once preheat is done, insert the metal tray into the bottom rack to start baking.